Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well, and very important that the pattern has changed. Yesterday I have made the video regarding the pattern change. Do watch that particular video for analysis. Today there was a important question which was being asked by OPSC specially, and the question was a wonderful question. I really liked and I do appreciate OPSC for asking this kind of an analytical question, because see, they have changed the pattern from factual side to analytical side. Your mind has to be sharp enough to analyze the issues, how it is happening and what are the possible reasons. If you are able to do this kind of analysis, then you are good to go. You will be performing outstandingly well in the new pattern. If you are only believing in rote learning, please, because mugging of data is also required, but still apart from that you have to be having an analytical mind. Then only you will be able to produce result facility. You have to produce solutions to the problem. So in this particular 2020 main examination, they have asked a particular question which is saying that the distributional pattern. The question is saying discuss the density distributional pattern. Discuss the density distributional pattern of population of India in Indian population. See, density of population. What is density of population? First of all, you have to make a definition that okay, within a square kilometer of area. In the initial in the introduction itself, you will be able to give the introduction. Introduction means the density. What is density of population? Density of population means the people living in a square kilometer of area. Number of people living in a square kilometer of area. In a total square kilometer, how many people are living? See, if you want to know this particular question has come from human geography. So you have to see the trend. OPS is not bothering about what are the things, what are the mineral, all this. They are not bothering that much in that particular direction. Currently they are moving in this particular direction, means human geography. So human geography and its analysis is very important. So OPSC will be moving in this particular direction. So I told you that definition you have to write the density of population. What is density of population? You have to write number of people living in square kilometer of area. So in order to write this on the spot, you have to frame the answer. In this particular question, I don't know, everybody would have been prepared on this particular question especially. So you have to frame an answer. You have to use your common sense. This particular question, you can write it in a common sense also. See, what are the things? Density is density. Why some people are living in a particular area? You have to analyze that some people are living in a particular area because they are getting some kind of a facility, some kind of a health facility, some kind of a education facility, some kind of a job opportunities. All these places are very much required. So you have to understand. Then fertile soil area. In the ancient India, what was happening, that most of the people were living in the Gangetic Valley area, because predominantly our economy was initial phases, it was the totally a agriculture driven economy. So most of the people were living in the Gangetic Valley, because the Ganga river, it was totally fertile, as well as it can be used for water. Ganga water can be used for irrigation purpose. So agriculturally it could be very rich. So for that reason you can say Gangetic Valley and UP, Bihar and Bengal. You can see that the density of population is very high in this particular region. Apart from that, industrial towns and cities, because of job opportunities are available. After the passage of so much of a time, now the economy is moving in the direction of, you can say, industries, manufacturing sector, IT sector, all this. So industrial towns, industrial, which means it also includes IT, whatever means industry, not only manufacturing but all kind of industry. Whichever places I have only given three examples from each, and the word limit is 250. See, you have to write 14 points. I will be giving you 14 points. Even if you mention 20 points, 20 words in each word, each point, then also you reach up to 280. So you can write wonderful answer on this particular question. You can give example like Jamshedpur, Raulkela, Bokaro, all this, even means so on and on. Durgapur, you can give example, but I have given only 2 or 3 because there is word limit is there, so you cannot be explaining all industrial towns. So you have to restrict 2 or 3 examples only. Then educational hub. Educational hub is an important aspect because in today's time, wherever the education facilities are available, most of the you can say the family members, they want to shift their son or daughter to there. So for that reason also, the people are living on a particular area in a very densely, and especially the Kota factory, you must be aware, Kota factory for IIT preparation, and this Prayagraj was a wonderful educational hub of UP, and Delhi for IIT also, and for civil services, people go there and to study. Then port cities, the density of population especially is very high in the port cities. Whichever port city, Visakhapatnam, if you will see Visakhapatnam, then Paradip, then you can say the Kochi, all the port cities. There are so many port cities, but I have given only 3 examples. Metro cities, there will be high density because metro cities are the places where all the people will be getting all kind of a facility. They will be getting good healthcare, they will be getting good education, they will be getting good recreational facilities, because in today's time, because of stress level, everybody wants recreation, and in metro cities there is so much of a recreational facility, wonderful malls, wonderful, you can say, the park, and all these facilities are available in metro cities. For that reason also, most people are willing to move from the villages or small towns to metro cities. For that reason also, the population density of metro cities are high. Then state capital, you will see that state capitals are the places where you see in Odisha, Bhubaneswar, there is so much of a, you can say, disbalance. Disbalance means Bhubaneswar is growing up and other cities are not growing in proportion to Bhubaneswar. For that reason also, the density of population in Bhubaneswar is high. So not only in Odisha but all of the states, if you will take the example of all of the states, their capital will be very densely populated. Because of a particular state, people will be migrating to the capital city in search of good job, in search of good healthcare, in search of good education for their children. So for that reason, all the capitals are very densely populated. You can give example Hyderabad, Patna, Bhubaneswar, all this. Then religious places, very important. Another densely populated area will be religious places like Puri, Varanasi, Haridwar, Ajmer Sharif for Muslims. Very, all these places are densely populated. Hill stations are densely populated. Many people, they go to the hill station in order to detoxify themselves, in order to re-energize themselves. And especially in the summer season, people move to Uti, Kodaikanal, Mussoorie, Simla, all these places. For that reason also, the population density in those, you can say, this particular area is very high. Then health center, I told you, when I say health center, it is both natural as well as allopathic. In natural, you can say the Kerala. Many people go to Kerala's naturotherapy and the Ayurveda in Kerala. Then Chennai is famous for its allopathic. People from all across Southeast Asia, they come to Chennai for their heart transplant or many of the this thing. People come to Bangalore also for allopathic treatment. So tourist destination. Apart from this, there is tourist destination. Whichever will be the tourist destination, there will be high density of population. Just like our Goa, Kerala and Kanyakumari, all the, you can say, the temple cities of Tamil Nadu, well maintained temple cities of Tamil Nadu. The Madurai is there. There is another Chidambaram, when Nataraj temple is Nataraj temple, especially that Chidambaram. All these places you will be finding densely populated. Then technology hub. What is happening as we are moving in a science direction? Most of the places, especially related to technology, like ISRO, like IT hub. All this you will see that Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. Bangalore, you see ISRO is having so many of things in Bangalore, in Hyderabad and Chennai. Not only that, technology related to IT, all these three cities, they are very much technologically advanced. So you have to know that because of technology, people are all across India coming to these particular places. Then startup hubs. All people are having some kind of a business ambition. Many people who are having a business ambition, they will be going to those places where the business opportunities are available. So Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai, stock market is there in Mumbai. So you can imagine that these are the places where technologically advanced things, they are moving to Bangalore. So Bangalore is a wonderful startup hub, and Delhi is also a wonderful startup hub. Then ancient towns. Whichever way the ancient towns, from the ancient days, they have been totally, you can say, densely populated. Kannauj, Patna, Ujjain, these are some of the ancient towns. People have been living since ages before Christ. Plantation areas like Assam is because of tea plantation. People are getting jobs over there in tree plantation areas. Kerala and Karnataka. So coffee is grown in many of the places in this particular states. So I hope I have covered maximum. If you will write this much, then they will definitely give you nothing less than 15 or 16 even. You can able to get. If you will write this much, if I have left something, please let me know in the comment section. I will be able to add that also. So if you will add this kind of answer, it will be helpful. In 20 mark, it was a 20 mark question. So I hope I have addressed maximum of the points and all the things are addressed specially. So do look forward to our book and course purchase. If you are willing to do our course purchase, then do let me know in my email ID abishoi27@gmail.com or askabacademy@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Happy learning.